Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to fill text with image in Inkscape. So there is one method that I use always. First we need to do is import a new image. So I go to the left upper corner and I click on File. After that I go to Import. And now we need to select an image that we want to import. So for example, I click on this one image with JPG format and then I move cursor to the right down corner and click on Open button. After that we will see this one window. We don't change default settings. We click on OK button and our image has been successfully imported here. Now I need to zoom out this image, so I press and hold Ctrl and I use scroll on mouse. Then I press and hold Ctrl on keyboard and change dimensions of this image. We need to make this image smaller, and now I change position somewhere here. Okay, then we need to go to Object. Now we go to Pattern and Objects to Pattern. Now we need to go to the left panel and click on Text tool. On the next step we need to click somewhere in the page, so for example I click here. And I recommend you to set on your font style heavy, because it will look really great then. So I type here text and I change position of this text somewhere in the middle. So now we need to go to Object and select here Fill and Stroke. Then we need to open Pattern Settings. And like you see, our pattern has been successfully added here. If you want to edit this text, we need to click on Node tool. And now we can change position of this image. So I try to center it, and then of course we can change the size of this image by press and hold Ctrl, and now we can make this image smaller, maybe something like that. And of course you can adjust the image position to your preferences. So for example it will look like that. I will zoom in it to show you the results. And of course on the right side you can change orientation of the pattern. You can scale it or make any other actions. Depends on the effect that you want to get. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to fill the text with image, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, because it really supports my work. And that's all. Thank you for watching.